A heat pump hot water unit works similar to a reverse cycle air conditioner that you might have in your house. So it draws heat and temperature from the ambient surrounding air, and through a process of compressing a refrigerant gas, it creates a high temperature which is then transferred to the water in the cylinder to heat it.
Because it moves heat rather than making it, a heat pump can use roughly 60 to 75% less electricity than a conventional electric hot water system. Even when the outside air feels cold, there is still enough heat energy in it for the system to extract. Ballarat Hot Water Service. We can install and maintain a new hot water service for your home.
Call me Wayne Castleman. I look forward to helping you.